Okay everybody, a lot of you guys keep asking how I organize my coupons. Now, I just started doing this about a couple weeks ago, and I feel like I've done a lot of trial and errors. If you guys watched, I have a video where I used to cut all my coupons out and I used to put it in a book. I would spend hours and hours and hours cutting useless coupons and just having them in a book. Then after about a year or so later, I started doing it this method where I would organize them by, like, you know, these are kind of old, but I'd organize them by like the day, and then if they're Red Plum or Retail Me Not or Smart Source, and if there's a multiple ones, I would write Smart Source 1, Smart Source 2. But I felt like I was always constantly writing these little pieces of tabs all the time, and it was kind of annoying. So then I kind of started just doing just one date. So any inserts, Benjamin, please, any inserts that I got, you know, on July 8th, I would put on July 8th. So I started doing that, and I felt like it was a little bit better, and I filled them all out all the way up until October 28th. Well, then I'm like, I'm sick of filling these out all the time. It just kind of annoyed me because half the time I ended up, you know, just, they're only good for so many months. There are some coupons that do last a while, but most coupons are only good for like a month or so, and that is it. So I stopped doing this because I felt like it was a waste of my time. So I ended up getting this little contraption. Now these are little craft drawers. I bought this at Michael's for $30. They do have them at other places. Sorry, I'm like sitting super close, but this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 10 drawer like filing thing. They come in different colors, but I wanted to just do clear because our desks are white, so I thought it'd be just kind of neutral, you know, to stick out. So what I ended up doing is all my coupons that I print from coupons.com, you guys can look in here. I got so much. I just print them all out and just shove them right there. I kind of go through them every once in a while, but I kept like just shoving coupons all over the place, and I wanted just a true spot for all my coupons.com, so that's where I put all those. This drawer right here is all my P&G coupons, so I keep those all in one spot for the whole entire month, and then once the month is over, I throw those away. And then I just took some like painter's tape or whatever tape I had lying around. Sorry, someone's touching my back. So I just wrote whatever week it is that the inserts are. So these are all the inserts that came out August 26th. Now there is a bunch of different ones. I could organize them differently, but I feel like this is the best thing to do. I mean, yeah, there might be 2 Smart Sources or 2 Red Plums or whatever. It's not a big deal to me because I searched for them anyways. So like this is for August 26th, and then I kind of just go down, and then I'll go back up again. So whatever. And then as I notice they expire, I'll throw them away. So these are all from 8/19. Now some of these, I'm sorry, some of these might have already expired. So what I can do is after I go through them, whatever ones are expired, I'll just peel the tag off. Now I might not have these in order, but I feel like this helps me a lot because I only need to keep coupons for so much. I keep coupons, I mean, if you guys look through my little, I have 2 of those things. If I keep those both, there's coupons in there from a year ago. I also used to do a little file cabinet thing. I still have coupons from over a year ago. So I'm like, why am I keeping these? So this is how I organize it. Like, I'm just, you know, this one I have to put a date on it. These are the ones that we just got like 2 weeks ago. I still haven't put a date on it, but I know it. They're all organized. This is the ones from, I think, this past weekend. I don't know. And then we got these ones too. So that's how I organize my coupons. I find it a lot easier. You guys can check out my past coupon videos. There's one where I organized my binder, which it was good at the time, but now I'm like, why am I wasting so much time cutting coupons out and I don't need it? And then my other one was that, which was fine, but I just felt like I just couldn't keep organized as much. This one, right when I get them, I just open the drawer and shove them right in and shut the drawer. I don't have to worry about making a big mess anywhere like on my desk. My desk is always a mess. I'm so unorganized with my desk, but I really try to be organized with my coupons. But so far, I've been doing this for... You gotta go to bed? Oh, but so far I've been doing this for a couple weeks now, and I feel like this is the best way to do it. So, I mean, it depends on what you guys want to invest in. I paid $30 for this. You might be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. Michael's does not let you do coupons with this or any kind of sales, but I think for 30 bucks, I think it's worth it. It's going to help me keep my stuff organized. Those things cost me, I think these cost me between $5 to $10 a piece. And then I also bought, you know, these file folders, which cost me about 10 bucks on Amazon. But I feel like this is more work to do. I mean, it's nice to keep it all organized. And then what happens is, like, if I find some of these coupons that there's only one page that's still valid, I might just pull the page out and put it in a special spot, because it's like, why keep the whole insert for just one coupon? Because I know we do have some coupons that expire next year, which is awesome. But just wanted to show you guys how I organize my coupons. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. Let me know what other videos you guys are interested in. I'm always here to help you guys and share with you guys. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.